Okay, we've done it. We've finished insulating the caravan. So we now have a 6 metre or 20-foot caravan, which is insulated on the sides and the roof. So yeah, it was a really good project to do, but it's not finished yet. We've now got to fit this caravan out. I'm going to flip this camera around so you can see what we've started on. Okay, so you can now see that we've got our detached shelving on this side. We haven't actually got the shelving yet, we're just waiting on the trays to come and build some detached shelving all the way through onto this side. At the moment we've got the polystyrene foam boxes just to keep the mealworms until they come. But we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows already, and we're only about 2 weeks away from, well, we've got medium-sized mealworms, so we've got, gone from egg to small to medium, only another week or two to large, and then another couple of weeks to beetle, so we're pretty close to closing the cycle. In terms of monitoring, we've got extra monitors. We've now got a full suite of monitors doing temperature, humidity, and dew point for both outside, so we know what the actual temperature is on the outside. Temperature on the inside of here, we've got in the actual cricket ones, we've got the temperature and the humidity of the substrate, the actual container or the microenvironment. And then also we've got other systems in the house and the shed. We're actually developing a new cricket breeding method, and we're benchmarking its production in a house environment that isn't climatically controlled. So we've got that going, and also just open sheds out the back. And I guess the next thing we've got to look at is heating, circulation, or actual moving the air through the space. When we had this closed off, half the caravan going, it was actually easier to manage. But now that we've got the whole caravan open, we have to probably get some circulation system for the air. And as temperatures increase outside, as we move into spring in a month or so, we'll have to look at some external ventilation just so that we remove unwanted odours and gases. So plenty of things to do, but yeah, keep posted. We'll let you know how we go. And yeah, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, now that I've actually finished doing the build of this actual installation, I can start to work on the podcasts and the webinar series for commercial production, and we should be good. We've got all the receipts now, so we can really benchmark the costs. We've got getting some really good costings through winter, so we can actually tell you how much energy consumption you'll get, and we'll shortly get the production rate. So we'll have the whole thing benchmarked in a month or two, and yeah, keep posted, and we'll let you know how we go.